Now godot engine show I splash screen on. So this is the GUI of godot engine. So from this is scene of godot engine, and all files are available in this file system. And this is the 3D viewport of godot engine. There are different icons of godot engine. From here you can go to 2D. Here only X and Y. So from this window you can make UI of your games. This is the 3D viewport. So X, Y and Z coordinate axis. For writing your game script, here is a script window. So this is the assets library. All these files are uploaded by its godot community. So here you can choose whatever templates you want to use in your godot engine. So now for if you want to make a 2D game, so you have to select 2D, and if you want to make a 3D game, so go to 3D from here. Now we are in 3D viewport. So first we are making a physics system in this 3D viewport. So now select 3D. So now I'm telling you, first of all, godot engine are available in various nodes. So first you select 3D scene. So now our node 3D are available here. Now go to plus icon. So select for our floor, first of all select static 3D body. Now select this warning. Now select now search collision shape 3D. And slash mesh instance 3D. So for disappearing this warning, you have to select from property inspector shape box shape 3D. Now you need a mesh, so go to now we are so drag this on this. Now select mesh 3D. Now select shape, so select box mesh. Now we change its shape by transform. Select 5 and 5. Oh, now we choose our wrong things. We don't have to change in any rotation, so this is 0 and 0. We have to change in scale, so now choose 5 in X and 5 in G. All are proportionate, so we now choose 1. So in our collision shape, go to transform. We have to also choose this, select proportionate and choose 5 in X and 5 on Z. So here is a warning, so you can ignore this. So this warning only available in godot engine 5 4.5 only. In a 4.1 there are no any warnings and error, so now you can ignore this. Now choose direction light. Direction light 3D available in your scene. Now area light by default disappear. If you choose direction light 3D, then this icon is disabled. So now go to, now we are missing here only a camera features, so now go to plus icon and choose a camera 3D. Now make this a child of node 3D. So all the features are here. Now camera 3D, we go to little up and set its position of camera 3D. This is the transforming gizmo. If you want to go to x-axis, then choose this. If you want to go to y-axis, then transform by this. If you want to transform by z-axis, then go to this. If you already familiar with any kind of 3D software like Blender, 3ds Max, Maya, or any of these, then you already knows about the transforming gizmo. It's now we are now running this window. We don't go with this run icon, we run our scene by this. So if you run by this, then you have to select whatever scene you want to select first. So now close this and go by this and run the current scene by pressing this. You have to save its scene, so now press Ctrl plus S, change the name of your scene, its label, save. Now select your first scene. Now you just all the components of your 3D game you are available in a scene. So if you want to make your game character, then you have to make a other scene, and if you want to make a box which fall down on floor, then you have to make a scene for it. So now choose a scene. In this scene, you don't need to press any of the icon, you just press plus icon. So by press icon, you have to choose rigid body 3D. So this is the movable object, so you have to choose rigid body 3D. It's a physics object node. So now go to collision shape 3D. For we have to choose a shape, static mesh. Now mesh 3D only, mesh instance 3D. So in a collision shape 3D, we have to choose a box 3D shape. So this warning is disappear from here, and box mesh. So you have to save this. By giving it a name, block. Now save this. If you want to choose any of the scene, all are available here. So now go to label. If you don't want to choose it from here, then you can click label. So your label scene goes open. So now you have to pick. uh, if you want to your link block scene in your label scene, then you have to select this link, this icon. So now click this, you have to choose block. So you have to save. Now choose camera 3D. Choose camera 3D. So by mistake I closed godot. So now I reopen it. Mm, I delete it. Now I choose block 3D. My box goes down, so I select this icon and choose little up. Now save this scene. If I run my godot projects, then it's fall down on floor.